In today's video, I'm going to explain why you should think twice about buying Tesla stock, but you should seriously consider buying this other AI stock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain it. So basically to give you the information so you can go away and do your research. Also, before I get into the video, I've got something interesting for you. If you're interested in learning more about the AI industry, I've created my completely free AI stock one-page brief. 1 page, 2 minutes can consume, brings you up to speed with the AI market. Plus, I give away 3 of my favorite AI stocks. So if you want that completely free, I'll leave a link in the comment description below. So let's get on into today's video. So I was listening to expert trader Eric Fry yesterday. He released a video and it was really fascinating. In fact, I'm going to leave his video in the description below. Go and watch it because it's really insightful. Basically, this guy's great at picking high growth stocks. And one sort of part of the video really got me interested. He basically said, do not buy Tesla, buy this other stock. And just to give you a bit of context, this is all based around the AI robotic revolution that we're kind of on the precipice of. This is going to be huge. Once the AI robotics industry really takes off, it's going to be a multi-trillion-dollar industry. And in fact, I've created many videos about this. Tesla is just finalizing all of the details for its much anticipated Optimus AI robot, which Elon says there's going to be basically a need for 3 of these for every human on Earth. You do the maths. I mean, Morgan Stanley reckons this is going to be a $25 trillion market that Tesla is going to lead. But Eric Fry has a different view, and I'm just going to explain why. Now, the stock I'm saying, Eric basically said to consider buying over Tesla is a company called Robotics. It's a very specialized AI robotics firm. So I've got my notes here so I can keep on track. And basically, its key product is it uses advanced AI software to control robots for warehouses and distribution centers. Now, these robots aren't like Tesla's Optimus AI humanoid robot, which basically looks like a human. Very specific robot. Apparently, you install them like Lego blocks in factories and warehouses. And these things can basically whiz along in warehouses at up to 25 miles per hour, carrying hundreds of pounds of stock at a time. Highly efficient, highly precise, an absolute godsave for logistic companies, who operate warehouses, distribution centers. Now, if we compare that to the spec of Tesla's Optimus AI robot, which sounds amazing. It basically looks like a human. It can pretty much do everything. But if we put it in the context of warehouses, distribution centers, Robotics robots, they can go up to 25 miles an hour. Optimus can only go at 5 miles an hour. Basically, the long and short of it is Robotics AI robotic robots are faster and more efficient and more precise than Tesla's optimized robots. Now, here's the other thing Eric pointed to as well. There is no pre-order system for Optimus AI robots. Now, don't get me wrong here. I'm not bashing Tesla because I've created many videos sort of basically saying that the Optimus AI robot is going to launch the AI robotics revolution. But at the moment, there are no pre-orders Optimus AI robots, and apparently there's going to be a big announcement from Elon about this Optimus AI robot around about late October with an expected release next year. But currently there is no demand at the moment for this optimized AI robot. But if we compare to Robotic robot software, they've got basically $1.5 billion in sales, and they've got a $23 billion backlog of pre-orders for their AI robotics for warehouses and distribution centers. So Robotic is actually creating robots for the here and now. It's not creating robots for the future. Like Tesla's Optimus robot is very futuristic, but Robotic is creating robots for the here and now with a real use case, highly precise, highly efficient. They're already installed in warehouses and distribution centers, and it's basically making money and it's growing quickly. Now, just to give you some stats, the share price for Robotic is 51.80. Market cap is 30 billion. Now, if we compare that to Tesla is about $1 trillion company. Robotic, don't get me wrong, Robotic is decent size, 30 billion market cap, which is pretty meaty, but is nowhere near the size of Tesla. Now, obviously, when the Optimus AI robot releases and the AI robotics industry gets going, Morgan Stanley says it's going to be in at least a $25 trillion industry, and in fact, I think it could be over 100 trillion. You imagine the size Robotic could potentially get to. It's not out of the realms of possibility. If all goes well, this could be a multi-trillion-dollar company as well once the AI robotics industry gets going, which it will over the next couple of years. So that is basically what I've got for you now. These aren't buy and sell alerts, because I'm not qualified to do that. I'm just giving you useful information so you can go away and do your research. Like I said, think twice about buying Tesla at the moment, and maybe give Robotic a look. Ticker symbol SYM. Just to recap, its price is 51.80 share price, market cap 30 billion, year-to-date growth 106%. So Robotic is on the move, very healthy financials have just been released. Looks like Robotic is going places. Now, if you want to read or watch Eric Fry's presentation about, he's very good at giving really good stocks, don't buy this, buy that. I'll leave a link below so you can take a watch. And he gives basically 3 stocks away. I've just given you one. He gives 3 stocks away that could potentially double your money in the next 12 to 24 months. So I'll leave that in the comments and description below. Also, if you want to join Eric Fry's investment report, where he's created a bank of special reports that give away, that he basically gives companies that don't buy this, buy that. If you want his very best stock picks, I'll leave a link to his investment report below. You can join risk-free for, I think it's 60 days, and you can join for just $49, which is an absolute bargain. Also, I'll leave a link below to my favorite AI stock research and advisory service, Jeff Brown's near future report. I love the service. He's giving away his best AI stock research and stock picks at the moment. And also one of his hottest stocks at the moment is a supplies Tesla and the Optimus AI robot that could explode in value over the next 12 months once Optimus AI robots get rolled out. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. I hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.